Hello there, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the new transfer target of Manchester United under interim manager Ralf Rangnick. As you know, we have targeted several players, including we have talented players like Ronaldo, Sancho, Varane, Fred, Rashford, Cavani. But now we've targeted another player, which is the teenage playmaker of Leverkusen, Florian Wirtz, has emerged as Manchester United's interim manager Ralf Rangnick's top transfer priority in this January. So Manchester United are in a pole position to sign Florian Wirtz as a German tactician. Ralf Rangnick scores his homeland for new recruits. Wirtz, 18, is according to reports the priority target on a four-player transfer shortlist after his meteoric rise to the ranks of Bayer Leverkusen. The attacking midfielder became Leverkusen's youngest ever player in the Bundesliga by making his debut shortly after his 17th birthday in March. His development has been rapid and he has 19 goal involvements and in just 21 appearances this season, having earned a call up to the senior Germany squad in March this year. So you can imagine a teenage player with the senior squad leadership and skills. Understandably, Leverkusen will do everything possible to keep Wirtz, and sporting director Rudi Voller insists the teenager will be playing his football at Bay Area next season. However, Ralf Rangnick hopes to draw the Premier League, and Old Trafford could persuade the Wirtz to join United with a very good signing and a nice contract. This is according to The Sun, who claimed that the transfer fee will need to be in the region of 60 million given his status as one of Germany's most promising youngster. And Manchester United could eye him for a long-term contract, which is almost for maybe for 4 years. But the report adds Wirtz is not Rangnick's only target, as he is also keen on Borussia Dortmund's left back Luka Netz, RB Leipzig defensive midfielder Eric Martel, currently on loan at Austria Wien. And a lot more many players which we will discuss very soon. We can't discuss all the players just in one video. I know you guys love hearing transfer news, and I love giving transfer news to you as well. So what do you think? Do we need an attacking midfielder? Definitely we do. We also need a CDM. We also need an attacking midfielder, because the only decent attacking midfielder we have right now, according to me, is Donny van der Beek. Yeah, and he's not even playing. So we do need a midfielder. The four-man shortlist shows Rangnick is keen to strengthen his side's defensive spine, but Wirtz is viewed as a preferred option to fortify his attack. The 63-year-old manager knows he will have a fight on his hand to wrest the player from his club, while he will also need to convince Red Devils chiefs of the worth of the significant outlay. Speaking on October, Leverkusen chief Voller issued a hands-off warnings to Wirtz many suitors and said he is very sure that the player will remain in Westphalia, though he declared the Florian is in very good hands with us, and like many clubs, he said, we don't expect him, to, with the exception of Bayern Munich, there will always be a pain threshold at all Bundesliga clubs. The question doesn't even arise. The boy is only 18 years old. Even in 3 years, he will only be 21. I'm very sure he will play for us, till 23. Should United fail to, in their efforts to sign Wirtz, they could turn to Leipzig star Amdou Hadira or Marseille's Boubacar Kamara. But the first target of Ralf Rangnick seems to be Wirtz. And it's estimated he has a transfer budget of almost £100 million. So what do you think about that? Give us your views. Do you think it will be a good signing? So Florian Wirtz, has stopped. And according to the recent transfer news, Florian Wirtz is he's the top target. He is the top target, and Manchester United are keen on signing him. They're extremely keen on getting him. They're very, very keen. They want an attacking midfielder. They want somebody who's a prodigy. He's almost a prodigy, I can tell you that much. He's almost a prodigy right now. Okay. I mean, Newcastle are making a dramatic bid to sign, They're also competing alongside Manchester United for Boubacar Kamara and Florian Wirtz. And they're trying their best. So what do you think? Do you think Manchester United will be able to sign Florian Wirtz? Do you think there'll be a good, do you think there'll be a good bid? Do you think there'll be a good transfer target? What do you think? and he could be the potential replacement to Paul Pogba right now. I mean, the Bayer Leverkusen, attacking midfielder has literally proved to be a prodigy, scoring, almost a lot of goals. I mean, he's scored lots and lots of goals. He's a goal machine. So I think somebody like Florian Wirtz will definitely, and he's playing in the German Bundesliga, which means I've seen the players who play in the Bundesliga have a very organized and structured football, unlike, most other players. They have a structured football. So I think, he'll do really, really well. I think it'll be a big, big transfer for us, boost for us, And I love to talk about transfers. That's what I really want. I'm very interested to know who's gonna go where. That's a very interesting topic. And United's most expensive ever transfer, Paul Pogba, is set also become the earner of one of the most lucrative wage packets in the history of Premier League, as he edges closer to a contract. The return fans of favourite Marcus Rashford will excite many as he impresses a behind closed door friendly. And Manchester United have been chasing the Leverkusen superstar Florian Wirtz for a long time. It's no different. Ralf Rangnick really wants him. He's by far one of the best German midfielders of this current time. And look, we all know Manchester United lack a proper midfield. We lack a proper midfielder, we lack a proper defender, we lack a CDM, we lack an attacking midfielder. We are stacked with strikers. Now we need some midfielders. We've got enough strikers. No more strikers, please. I don't want any more strikers. We need a good midfielder. We have one of the best strikers in the world. If you can get Haaland, that's different. If you can get Haaland, that's a different. But if you can get somebody like Haaland or Mbappe, that's a different. Okay. And he has been receiving huge praise in the Bundesliga, and we all know Ralf Rangnick has an eye for Bundesliga players. As reported, Manchester United are interested and they have also offered a contract for Wirtz. And Bayern Munich are leading the race. However, as Fabrizio Romano reported, Bayer Leverkusen's stance on the player remains the same. The player is considered untouchable for the next summer. So I don't know what untouchable means. Untouchable. If he wants to move away, what are they going to do? He might be too big for that. And after a long battle to try and convince the midfielder to remain a Manchester United player, Paul Pogba is now edging closer to signing a new contract at the club, according to French publications. After the World Club glory with France, so Paul Pogba's replacement could be Wirtz. Pogba has pretty much done nothing for United. All he has done is just complain, be injured, and sit on the bench. So I think this will be one of the best transfers so far. And I love to talk about transfers. I love to talk about new possibilities and players. I really like talking about transfers. I don't know why. I like it. And you guys are also seeming to like it. Thanks a lot for all the love you're giving me. Please stay with me. The news today is Manchester United have been targeting the Bayer Leverkusen attacking midfielder Wirtz, for the new transfer January window. And let's see if we can get him. If we can get him, our midfield will be unstoppable. I'll be bringing you more transfer news. Till then, take care.